This Ingersoll ran heavy-duty pneumatic impact wrench tackles the most demanding automotive and industrial tasks with exceptional performance and efficiency. It combines heavy-duty torque output with smooth control and utmost precision. This impact wrench is the best choice for equipment in car repair work and other professional applications. The robust six-vane motor is fine-tuned for installation and removal of threaded fasteners with ease, and thanks to its dual handles and 6 inches extended anvil. This impact wrench provides exceptional accessibility for those hard-to-reach nuts and bolts with maximum operational control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Heavy-duty torque output. Equipped with a 6-vane motor. This pneumatic impact wrenches offer the power needed for extra tight fastenings, rusted bolt removal, and other heavy-duty applications. The impacts deliver 475 feet-pounds of maximum torque and 1 feet-pounds of fast torque in 2 seconds. Enough for even the most stubborn nuts and bolts. A feather touch trigger offers fine control over torque output. Number 2. Exceptional control and accessibility. With 2 handles, these impact wrenches are ideal for jobs that require pinpoint precision. The swept-back handle delivers excellent maneuverability and control, while the top-mounted dead handle gives you additional leverage for difficult underbody work. Onto the 6 inches anvil allows you to easily reach nuts and bolts that are tucked away and difficult to access. Number 3. Pro performance. This heavy-duty pneumatic impact wrench tackles the most demanding auto and industrial tasks with exceptional performance and efficiency. Designed for professional use with over 475 feet-pounds of torque. Number 4. Durable reliability. Made of rugged plastic and metal, it's built to endure the rigors of job sites and garages. It features a 360-degree swivel inlet to prevent air hose kinks and can withstand repeated drops in harsh weather conditions. Number 5. Effortless power. The Rocking Dog's combination of high inertia and low BPM means this tool can deliver a powerful blow with little air, giving you all the power you want without having to overextend yourself. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.